Hello students, welcome to the 10 Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning countdown 8. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from critical and digital learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. You may watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is write the following numbers in exponential form. So in exponential form simply you can take the factors by using LCM and write these in powers. So 121 we can take LCM and we have solution 11 multiplied by 11 which is equals to 11 power 2. So we can write 121 as exponential form is 11 power 2. Next question is 729. So again we can taking LCM and find the factors. So we can use the table of 3 to solve the 729. So we have the solution 3 power 6. So the exponential form of 729 we can written as 3 power 6. Next question is write the following numbers to scientific notation. So simply you can count the number of zeros and write the number in 10 and 10 base to power. So our question is 700. So we can write as scientific notation 7.0 multiplied 10 raised to the power 2 because we have 0 two times, so we can add the value of 10 power 2. Next question is 5100000000. So we have 8 times 0. So we can write these as 5.1 multiply 10 raised to the power 9 because we can add point decimal after 5. So we can add the 0 and which is equals to 9. Next question is convert the following numbers to ordinary notation. So simply the question is giving you in scientific notation and you can convert these in ordinary notation. So our question is 3.18 multiply 10 raised to the power 6. So in ordinary notation we can write this as 3180000. Next is 1.80 multiply 10 raised to the power 2. So simply you can write these as 180. Next question is convert the following numbers to logarithm notation. So simply you can write this in logarithm notation as we have question 64 is equals to 8 power 2. So in logarithm notation you can write log and 8 you can write as a power of log and 64 is equals to 2 you can write as a equal form. Next question is double 2 3 double 4 is equals to 14 power 3. So in logarithm notation simply you can write log 14 double 2 3 double 4 as it is and 3 as a equal form. Next question is find the value of x. So simply you can find the value of x with the use of logarithms. So number one question is log 4 4096 is equals to x. So firstly you can convert this log form to normal form. So you have form 4 power x is equals to 4096. Then you can take LCM of 4096. So by the using of table of 4 we can take LCM and LCM is 4 power 6. So we have equation 4 power x is equals to 4 power 6. Then after cutting 4 to 4 our equation is x is equals to 6 and this is the final value of this question. Next question is log x 6561 is equals to 4. So simply you can convert this log form to normal form. So x power 4 is equals to 6561. Then after taking this you can take LCM of 6561. So after taking LCM we have in answer 9 power 4 is equals to x power 4. So 4 and 4 we can cut because they both are same values. So we have answer x is equals to 9. Next question is simplify the following. So in log, the addition sign indicates multiplication and the subtraction sign indicates division. So we have question log 10 plus log 5. So addition sign indicates multiplication. So 10 multiplied by 5 we have answer 50. So log 10 plus log 5 we have answered log 50. Number second part is log 400 minus log 8. So here subtraction sign uh, indicates the division in logarithm. So log 400 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8 and 850 the 400. So our solution of log 400 minus log 8 is log 50. Next question is use the laws of logarithms to find the following. So with the help of laws of logarithm, you can solve these questions. So question number 1 is log 256 equals to 8. So we can take LCM of 256 first. So after taking the LCM of 256, we have solution 2 power 8. So we can write as log 2 power 8. So we can take log base 2 into 2 is equals to 1. So 8 multiplied by 1, we have answer 8. Next question is log 10 1024 equals to 5. So again we can take the LCM of 1024 first. So the LCM of 1024 has 4 power 5. So we can write this as log 4 is equals to 4 power 5. So 5 log 4, we have 4, and we can take log base 4 into 4 is equals to 1. So 5 into 1, we have answer 1. Next question is write the following according to the laws of logarithm. So number 1 is 6 log 5. So according to the laws of logarithm, you can write these as log 5 power 6. Next question is m log n. So with the help of these laws, you can write is log n power m. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project, as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.